Hey friends, let's do Stumbling In Guitar Lesson, another awesome song by Suzi, Quatro and Chris Norman. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down, and this one's for the beginners, nice and easy. So for our intro, nice and easy, we started with an A minor, and our strumming pattern through the whole song will be down, down, up, down, up. Again, down, down, up, down, up. And that's one bar there, and we do the A minor for one bar. To D for one bar. To G for one bar. To E minor for one bar. And we do that through 3 times, and the 4th time we do the A minor for a bar again, the D for a bar, and this time do G for 2 bars. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's our intro and also our chorus there. So our verse, same chord progression as our intro. A minor for a bar, D for a bar, G for a bar, and E minor for a bar. This time do that through 4 times, then go back to the A minor for a bar, the D for a bar, now they're doing G for a bar. Just do one down strum and hold for a bar there, and that's our verse. So our chorus, same chord progression again. A minor for a bar, D for a bar, G for a bar, E minor for a bar. And just do that through 4 times. Now let's have a look at what the second guitar is doing as well. So we just got 5 on the B and the E, then play 5B, 7E, back to 5 and 5, then 5B, 3 on the E, and then 3 on the B, 2 on the E. That's riff 1. Now riff 2, we're going to do 3 on the B and the E, 5 on the E, 3 on the B, back to 3 and 3, then 3B, 2E, and then open E and B. And that's riff 2. Then we just play riff 2 again, back to riff 1, back to riff 2, and then we're just doing the harmonics on the G, B and D 12th fret to finish the chorus off there. So for our solo rhythm, and we'll do our main solo at the end, we have the A minor again for a bar, D for a bar, G for a bar, E minor for a bar, A minor again, D for a bar, and G for 2 bars. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. From there we just go back to the verse, and that stays the same. And then we have our chorus. Guitar 2 stays the same with our little fills, and guitar 1 just plays our A minor for a bar, D, G and E minor, and we just keep repeating that all the way to the end. Now let's have a look at the main solo. So we're just starting on 10 on the B, 8 on the E, move up to 12 and 10, then play 12 and 10, slide up to 13 on the B and 12 on the E and play it another 2 times. Then go back to 12B, 10, E 2 times, play it again and slide back to 10 and 8, then play 10 and 8, go back to 8B, 7 on the E, to 10B, 8E, play it again and slide up to 12 and 10, and then just play 13B, 12E, 12B, 10E, 10B, 8E, and 8B, 7E. Then we're doing the start all again. Now to finish off, we're going to play 10B, 8E, play it again, slide up to 12 and 10, play 12 and 10 again, slide up to 13 and 12, play that, and then we have 15 on the B and the E. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Stumbling In Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 70s rock, glam and pop, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.